So I wanted to get a good look at these 2-pin RGB LEDs that they sell on AliExpress and wherever. As I found one on the ground. It was like just laying on the ground in a bag of alcohol or something after an event. And you know, I'm a huge geek and I love this kind of stuff, and I even made like a computer program to control LEDs back in the day. So like the fact that this thing can do it all just right in the LED, it's pretty freaking cool. I wanted to get a good look at that, so I figured I'd make this video here. Might as well. So this is like an old LED, and it's cool because all that metal hardware in there is like actually used for the way that this thing works, because it's like an indent in it. And there's like a little wire that goes from the one side down into that indent to that little crystal. It's like a synthetic crystal that is an LED basically. So this is the one I found on the ground actually. I burnt this one out, so I had to replace it. But basically the new design, it uses that metal stuff, but not really. It just kind of has that hardware in there, and then like it just has this whole new thing on top, which is pretty cool. And it includes a little chip that like runs. So like you just get 2 pins into this thing, and it's powering a little computer robot thing that's like powering these 3 different LEDs. And I'm not even sure that the LEDs, now they'll go in and work like an old school LED on the constant voltage system, like the way most LEDs would work back in the day, but I'm not even sure if this thing's not like converting the voltage to like constant current in that thing. But either way, it like electrically works like a modern LED, so that's pretty cool. Or it works like an old LED, but it also works like a new LED.